Hi, my name is Amia and welcome to my little dance tutorial, I guess. We're here at Keystone, Keystone? We are going to be dancing to Stretch by Bantu and DaniLeigh. We're going to be dancing to the DaniLeigh version. I mean, well, not her version, her verse. You know what I'm trying to say. Well, this is Catherine. Hi, this is me, Catherine. This is going to be one of my assistants today, and this is my other assistant, Cruz. Okay, and they're going to be assisting me today. Yeah, let's get started. So, you start off, hands behind your hip, and then you're going to walk forward with your right foot. And then you're going to undercut your foot with your left, lift up your hip, and drop it down. Yeah, so it looks like this. Shaka, shaka, and shaka. There we go, let's move on back. All right, we do 4, okay? Yes. So, we start out. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, you're going to go to the right first. Cross your arms like you're really pouty and pop out your chest. No bigger, like hit somebody. Yeah, knock them over. Yeah, so you give me 2 big ones. Yeah, from there, then you're gonna go, kick back, kick right foot first, left, and then you're gonna jump on the left foot, forward, come together, and then you're gonna fall out, step, to go, bounce, bounce, and go lower, bounce. Yeah, okay, let's go back. So, we did step, hip, step, hip, step, hip, step, hip, chest, chest, kick, kick, jump, swivel, swivel, then fall, then you bounce, bounce, bounce. There we go. From there, you do 2 presses. You go press, press, again in the same spot. Then you go kind of like a head shake, and throw through. So you just did press, 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 head shake, pull through. From there, you're gonna cook in the kitchen. You're gonna stir the pot, stir the pot, stir the pot, whatever arms. Yeah. Let's put that all together for me. So, this first one is a little bit quick. So when you're doing it, don't emphasize so much on like pulling it back up because then you'll be short for time. So just kind of go through it. Does that make sense? Do one smooth, like you're going through like icing right now. Smooth, smooth. You know, all the chunks are out. It's just smooth batter. That's what you want, just smooth. Yeah. So that's what you want to do with that. All right, let's try it again from the top. Su tempo. Yeah, tempo. Yeah, let's try. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and chest, chest, e, ta, ta, ah. 1, 2, 3. Down and shake it and pull and 1. Yep, that's what is next. There we go. Yay. Take a deep breath in, breathe in. Breathe out. Let's keep going. Yeah? Okay. 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to go wrap around. 1. And push away. 2. And back. Chi. Back. Woo. Yeah. And like go low. Yeah. Again. So we just said circle, out. Do whatever. Then scoop and a push and a down. Back again. Woo. Yeah. Shoot-y-doo. From here, I use the momentum from that to bring my arm around, to bring this knee in, and shiki. Yeah, give me like sauce on those. Yeah. So we go. Stir the pot, do whatever, arms, then grab that person. No, because we're social distancing, yeah. Then we do no hands because touching is not the thing right now. Then we're gonna go back on our right, back together, swing those arms because we just washed them, you know, air dry those clean hands. Then we're gonna bring this knee in, other knee in, then again. And then we're going to bring this knee in and we're going to go in 1, 2, 3 times. From there, we're going to bring this leg together. Bounce and bounce. Maybe we do one more, yeah? To go 1, this side. Then from here, 1, 2. Yeah, that's what we do. Always trust yourself whenever you're dancing. Step, bounce, bounce, step, in, step, gee, yeah. Ew. Hello. Okay, girl. No hands. I'm just going to teach you guys the last little bit of it because we're like done. Yeah. From there, you're going to give me like a real you're going to give me a complete Amy Santiago power pose. Okay? Okay? From here, you're gonna almost so it's almost like a whirlpool. You're gonna whirlpool your booty back. I think I just made something up, guys. I'm just gonna put that up there. So you're gonna whirlpool your booty back. So you're gonna power pose, whirlpool your booty back, and then from there you're gonna give me some chest out, chest out. Yeah? So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah? And then that's it. Yay! Woo! Okay? Let's do this. Okay? Pull, step that step, shake it, shake. Up. There you go. Wow. And back. Shiki ya. Ha. Yeah. Word, guys. All right, let's do it from the top one more time. Let's try that again. And then we'll try the music. All right, 5, 6, 7, go. 2, 4, dee, down my throat is dry, dee, whatever. Arms and round and up, foot and down, right, left, cheeky, dee, and woo. Ha-dee, step, shake it, shake, and up. Ha, step, round and back, chest open. Ha. Work. And well, thank you. If you're still here, like I like to say to most of my followers on any social platform, thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you for taking our class. Catherine appreciates it. Bree appreciates it. I appreciate it. You got into move as well. I'm very happy that I can do this for you. Please stay safe. Wash your hands. Wash your phones. Stay hydrated. Mind your business. And Miss Vanjie's out. Keystone. When I see my body stretch, she opened up the limo stretch. He said he wanna see my body stretch. Love that I'm a dancer, I'm so flexible. Got him in his feelings, I'm the best at it. Papi call me snack 'cause I'm so edible. La Dominicana. If I show up, I'ma throw it, make the money follow. Make him blow a bag up on me, give me Fendi Prada. He asked my son, I tell him this, I got a lot of comments. I wanna see that body stretch. When it stretch. You wanna see. If you know what this is from, and this is part of this video, which it should be, I'm giving you gold here, okay? Personality gold. Spirit fingers, this is gold. If you know what that's from, put it down below. There won't be a prize, but you'll be proud of yourself. Just letting you know.